Hi, this is Mark Friedman from Tulip, and I want to share with you a really simple application, actually two applications for managing inventory. This is really just kind of a foundation of inventory. There can be a lot of things you might do with inventory. So, for example, you might build or assemble a unit which is going to backflush inventory that goes into it, so child part numbers. In this case, all we're really going to do is introduce a structure for storing inventory storing inventory into locations. So there's a few dimensions on inventory typically that you find in ERPs. One of them is the item name, the location, the quantity. Sometimes you might have serialized units, so you want to know where that serial number is. Maybe it's in a finished good location, something like this. There's also a status. So sometimes you may have inventory that's available and other inventory might be reserved for an order. So all of that's in this table structure. I can show you that. I'll do that now in the editor. So basically what we have here is in the editor, let me move this over a little bit here. So in the editor, you can see we have a new table just called inventory. And this is going to be used in a lot of our library applications. But basically what you've got is your location, the item, the status, which we're not using right now, but we're going to want to use in the future. Serial number, area, quantity, any notes, when it was updated, and a photo if we want. So we can add more stuff in there. For now, we're keeping it really simple, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So in the player, very simple. You can search. So I want to look for in the sublocation. Maybe I want to show my zero areas. So some of these areas have zero quantity in them. I may also want to search for, all these are search boxes up here, so this makes it easy for you to look for your inventory. And then what you can do is you can actually just, I can create a new item here, and I can add 5 units, let's say. So what's going to happen here is it's just going to create a new inventory record of 5 units in this location. I can also remove a quantity if I want to remove one. And I can also move 2 of them to a new location 2. So what it's going to do is it's going to transfer 2 of those to a new location. There it is. So really simple inventory functions. Very easy to use this application. You can put it into your apps if you'd like. There's also a mobile version which I'm going to show you. So let me show you that. A lot of the same functions. So inventory management mobile. And really, a lot of times when you're working with inventory, you might be a water spider, you might be a mobile, and we wanted to enable that behavior. So Tulip works very well on iPhones and devices like that. So here you can make adjustments to inventory. You could scan an inventory item if you want to using the barcode scanner on your device, the camera. You can type in, you can add a quantity, remove quantity. You can also just search your inventory. So you can just do a quick search here. All the same tables you'll notice. I could click on this location here, and let's say I want to move, let's say I want to move this to sub 3. I could just move this material, move one of them to location sub 3, and all the same functions you saw earlier, but it's just a mobile interface. So now you'll see sub 3 is a new location. I took one of those and moved them over. You can also click on one of these and adjust the material quantity. Maybe I want to remove one from the location. So that's all that really does. Really simple application, but it's going to be kind of a base application. So a lot of other applications we might do. So material receipt from deliveries or warehouse functions, this sort of business. It's all going to a lot of this information is going to live in the inventory table. So I hope that is useful, and you might be interested in tracking inventory in your facility. Thanks.